everyone. We are Group 4 and we're here to demonstrate the jet-propelled balloon activity. The materials that we're gonna need are balloon, scotch tape, yarn, drinking straw.
First, put the yarn inside the straw.
Inflate the balloon with air and hold it so the air won't come out.
Put the scotch tape on the straw and paste the balloon on it.
Then, hold the both end of the yarn and release the balloon.
The materials that we're gonna need are balloon,